In traditional screen protector application, you not only need to operate a cutting machine but also manually apply the film. Bubbles, dust, centerline creases, and lifted edges are common issues during application, leading to a less than perfect customer experience. Now, introducing the all-new Smart Cutting and Application Machine, perfectly combining film cutting and application in one device. First ever AI voice activation, supporting 165 languages. No more manually searching for the device model. Everything is automated. With one-touch start, the machine automatically completes all cutting and application steps. The dual-motor clamping system self-adjusts for precise alignment, ensuring perfect edge-to-edge application. The anti-static dust-free strip effectively prevents dust from sticking to the film. No manual operation required. Efficiency doubled. Ensures each screen protector is perfectly centered, with no creases, bubbles, or wrinkles. Built-in UV curing function, equipped with 395 nanometers UV light beads for powerful sterilization, enhances film hardness and durability, meeting consumer demands for stronger screen protection. Compact and space efficient, saving valuable store space. The Smart Cutting and Application Machine simplifies the process, boosts customer satisfaction, doubles store efficiency, and increases business profits. The Smart Cutting and Application Machine is redefining industry standards, bringing the future to your fingertips.